We're going to use LightSwitch's understanding of the model to help us to create some useful navigation through the data that's stored in it. Now I've pre-populated the data obviously in my tables, so we're going to start with course level. That will lead us to course, that will lead us to cohort, and that should lead us to students. LightSwitch understands that these one-to-many relationships exist and creates links between these tables. I'm inside the LightSwitch development environment and I'm going to create a new screen. I'll do right click, add screen, and I'm going to create a search data screen. Now I choose where the data is coming from with my screen data, and as I said, we're going to start with course levels and click OK. Now it creates the screen very quickly, and the next thing to do, of course, is what I always do. I do a build and build a solution, and my build has succeeded. So what I'm going to do now is to start my application. What I've done is I've added a new task. We're going to tidy this up in the next video so that we can help ourselves navigate more effectively. So search course levels will launch on the database the levels of the courses that we've created. Now I've created 1 through 7, I think, for course levels, so that should appear as a list. What has happened now is that course levels are listed here, taken directly from the SQL Server, and these blue underlined items are in fact hyperlinks through the application. It understands that there's a link between this course level and something else. So let's see what happens when we click. Level 3 has 2 courses, the 90 credit diploma and the extended diploma. If I now click that link, it knows we have 3 cohorts. If I click the APs, just because it's in the middle, there are no lessons yet, but there are students. I created the computed property for these, and if I click one of the students with a good English name, Brennan Clayton, I get all the data for that person. It's really powerful. This drill down from there to there to there to there would take an enormous amount of time to create if you were traditionally coding the application. And that's where the great time saving is going to be. It's understanding of the entity framework. I'm going to create some more search screens. I'm going to create a search screen which allows me to check from student age group, from college day, and from tutor type. Now there will be nothing stopping me from starting from tutor, but I think we want to show it coming in from the outside, from the data structure. So that's what I should do next, and then when I've done that, that will complete my application development, and then we'll move on to how we navigate in the application.